So email marketing is about so much more than just sending a weekly email newsletter out to your list, and I'm going to share with you the 4 steps to email marketing success in today's video. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Anna from byrozanna.co.uk. I am a designer and online educator, and here on YouTube I share videos all about marketing, business, productivity, website design and all of that good stuff. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up while you're there. So maybe you are thinking about starting an email list, but you're not really sure whether it's going to be worth it for you, how to make it worth it for you, or maybe you've got an email list yourself already and you're just struggling to find success with it. So getting people to actually engage with your emails, getting people to actually sign up in the first place, all of that stuff. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you 4 steps for email marketing success. And the first step in this is the growth step. You really want to be getting the right people signed up to your list. And I'm putting the emphasis on right because just like on Instagram where you're trying to get new followers, the same principle applies in that it doesn't matter how many followers, or in this case email subscribers, you have if they're not the right people. Even if you have an email list of thousands and thousands of people, there's literally no point in having them if they are not people who are 1, your ideal customer, 2, are actually excited to be on your list and are looking forward to receiving your regular content, and 3, are actually likely to buy from you because they're interested in exactly what you are offering as a business. In the past, I've actually ended up deleting an email list of over 10,000 email subscribers for this exact reason. I realized that they actually weren't the right people and they therefore were never actually going to end up buying from me. So there was no point in me having that list and spending all of the effort that I was putting in sending out regular, free, valuable content to them. To get the right people on your list, you need to be putting together some sort of incentive that is really tailored exactly to your ideal customer to encourage them to sign up. And I do talk about this more in a free masterclass that I have called How to Make Money from Your Email List. It's a 25-minute video training and I will leave the link to it in the video description. Step number 2 is to nurture your list by delivering valuable, relevant content to them. And this is assuming that you have the right people on your list and that they're keen to hear from you on a regular basis. So you need to have a plan together for sending them good quality content consistently. It actually doesn't matter how often you send out a regular email newsletter, whether that's once a week, once a day, once a month, whatever it may be, as long as you're consistent and people know what to expect. And with each email you send, remember there is potential that people may unsubscribe. So you want to be reminding people with your regular content about why it is they've actually signed up to you in the first place and why it's a good thing for them to continue being signed up. So make sure you are delivering high value, engaging content to those people that is really tailored for them. One of the reasons why I use Flodesk as my email marketing software is that they make it so easy to design beautiful, engaging emails. It's really intuitive and you can create something that people really enjoy receiving. If you are interested in using Flodesk, I have a whole guide about it on my website at byrozanna.co.uk/Flodesk. And you can also use my link to sign up and get yourself 50% off your first year's subscription, which is a massive saving. It means that it's only $19 per month, no matter how big your list is or how many emails you send. So it's amazing value, but go and check out that link if you want to learn more. The third step is to automate your email marketing and save time by doing that. By automating emails to go out to each new email subscriber that you get on your list, just think about it. Say you have your email list and you send out a really epic email that's super engaging on, let's say, a Friday. Then on Saturday, someone new ends up joining your list and signing up via a sign up form on your website or something like that. Because they've signed up the next day after you send the email, they're going to have missed out on all of that content, and they're then going to have to wait a whole other week until they receive your next weekly newsletter, for example, or even a whole month. And obviously it's not going to be the same newsletter because you don't want to then bore all the people who were previously on your list when you did send it out. So all of that content can get a whole new lease of life, and you can make sure people receive emails on a regular basis as soon as they've signed up to your email list, no matter when they sign up for your email list, by using automations and setting up things like welcome sequences or freebie delivery emails, or even sales funnels, which I'll mention in a second as well. Automations are honestly where the true power of email marketing really is. And the fourth step is to monetize your email list and turn your email subscribers into actual paying customers. Running an email list can take lots of time and effort, and of course there's usually a financial cost associated with it as well for using an email marketing software. So we want to make sure that by creating this email list and running an email list, we're actually getting a return on investment for that time and money that we're putting in. As small business owners, we're juggling so many things that we really want to make sure that where we are putting our time is 100% worthwhile. And that is why having a plan for making money from your email list is so important. There are usually kind of three main ways where people will try and turn their subscribers into customers. One way is by sending regular promotional emails like discounts and collection updates, things like that about products. Another way would be to send regular high value content to nurture their audience and show authority. And the third way is by creating automated sales funnels. And I personally think the last one is the most powerful and one that not enough small businesses are using in their email marketing, which is why I've put together this free masterclass all about how to make money from your email list. It's a 25-minute video training. It's pre-recorded so you can watch in your own time, and it's completely free to sign up and watch. So go ahead and click the link in the video description to go and watch that. I'll be covering the 3 big mistakes that I've made when building email lists in the past, a strategy to grow a list of people who actually want to buy from you, how to create a sales funnel through email marketing, and how to automate the whole process as well. So if you want to figure out how to actually start monetizing your list, definitely go and check that out. And if you have any questions, please do leave a comment below this video as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again next week with another one.